MIT School of Government is the pioneer institute in India to initiate a master's program in political leadership. The school is dedicated to impart leadership training to the youth who decide to make a career in politics. The MA Political Leadership and Government MPG syllabus is enriched with the classroom sessions and experiential learning. This program is different from any conventional political science or public administration or public policy program, as our academics are complemented with rigorous on-field practical training, thematic workshops, exposure to organizations from the grassroots to the global levels, and mentoring programs. We organize interactive sessions with the leaders from politics, bureaucracy, judiciary, media, social and development organizations. One of the major highlights of the program is the thrust on multiple internships for the students. The students are taken to a national study tour, which includes interaction with the Member of Parliaments of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, visits to Parliament, Election Commission of India, important institutions as well as think tanks. We are on a mission to empower youth as a critical mass with commitment, compassion, dynamism, ethics, professionalism and vision to engage in politics.